In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on Bybit using the mobile app. First, download the Bybit app from the official App Store or Google Play, then open it. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up or Register. Now choose how you want to create your account. You can usually sign up with an email address, mobile number, or a Google/Apple account, depending on your region. Enter your email or phone, create a strong password, and if you have one, type a referral code. Agree to the terms and tap Create Account or Sign Up. Bybit will send you a verification code by email or SMS. Open your messages, copy the code, go back to the app, and paste it in to confirm your account. Next, set up basic security. Go to your Profile/Security section and turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA, usually with Google Authenticator, SMS, and/or email codes. This step is very important to protect your funds. Depending on your country, Bybit may also ask you to complete identity verification, KYC, before you can fully trade or withdraw. Just follow the on-screen instructions to upload your ID and selfie if required. Once that's done, your Bybit account is ready and you can start depositing, trading, or using their other features. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.